Thank you for your interest in the Institute for Democracy and Higher Education. IDHE is a research center at Tufts University's Jonathan M. Tisch College of Civic Life. IDHE studies and works to strengthen college student participation in democracy. We are excited to share with you some nonpartisan insights at the congressional district level to give you a sense of how influential your votes can be as college students. We hope that this visualization can give you an opportunity to use the information for political learning and make strategic choices about where to cast your ballot during the midterm elections this November. The insights we offer are based on the following data sources, and for more information about the methodology, please consult this page. To begin using the tool, click on the Congressional District Level tab. We have organized all 435 congressional districts by their individual state on this page. The states have been sorted from the highest number of congressional districts to the lowest. Some states, like California and Texas, have their congressional districts broken into 2 rows. There are 2 layers of information that you need to understand the district data points on this page, and they are described in the legends on the right. As you can see, each data point is either filled in entirely, empty, or only filled in halfway. Each data point is also represented in orange or in green. The first legend shows that the fill level represents the proportion of college students in population of a congressional district. The fill levels indicate whether the presence of college students enrolled in a particular district is comparatively high, low, or medium. Clicking on the category will highlight the congressional district related to that category. For example, if you click on high in the legend, all the congressional districts with a high presence of college students will be highlighted. The second legend describes the competitiveness of the congressional district for the 2018 House races based on the recent data from the Cook Political Report. We have categorized toss-up and lean districts as competitive, and solid and likely congressional districts as non-competitive. For a detailed definition of these categories, please refer to the Introduction tab. Once again, you can click on either of the categories to highlight all of the congressional districts that fall into that specific category. For example, if you click on Competitive in the legend, all the competitive districts will be highlighted. So how can you use this tool for making strategic choices about where to vote this November? We want to remind you that this tool shows you where college students are enrolled in college and not where they are registered to cast the ballot. In that respect, the tool highlights the strength of a college student's vote in the district where the institution of higher education is located. If you know the congressional district your institution is located in, you can search for the state your institution is located in and then find your own district for information. For example, if you go to school in New York and you know that you are from the 4th district, then you can find information right here. However, if you don't know what congressional district your institution is located in, you can refer to the 4th tab on this visualization and check out the instructional video on how to find your institution's congressional district. If you're a college student and reside in the same congressional district as your institution of higher education, you're eligible to vote in the elections of the representative for that district. This tool can also be informative in helping you decide where your vote as a college student can be most influential. For example, if you are originally from the 3rd district in Kansas, which is a competitive district with a low proportion of college students, but you attend an institution in the 2nd congressional district, which is a competitive district but with a high proportion of college students, it is possible that your votes can have more of an influence in the 2nd congressional district rather than in the 3rd. Likewise, if you are from the 4th district of California, which is a non-competitive district, but you attend a higher education institution in the 10th district, which is a medium competitive district, your votes can have a higher influence in the 10th district than in the 4th. These are only some scenarios that illustrate how this tool can be used for strategic decision-making around where your votes as a college student can have more influence on the election's outcome. As you must have noticed, the most important aspect of the strategic choice is that both you and your college peers need to turn out to vote in large numbers. Thus, we encourage you to be active participants in your college and be involved in registration and get-out-the-vote drives so that you can also motivate your peers to turn out at the ballot this midterm election. Thank you so much for interacting with the College Student Vote in 2018 interactive visualization prepared by the Institute for Democracy and Higher Education. We look forward to hearing more about your plans and how you are participating in the midterm elections of 2018. Please reach out to us at nslve@tufts.edu with any questions. Thank you.